This is our Condor bass, double Condor bass, in the key of E minor. And it is a 6-hole flute, and we make it out of Spanish cedar. It does have 2 mouthpieces, so you can play the single or the drone side, the melody side or the drone side. You can switch between the two very easily. And here's his voice. It has a really sweet, full voice. It is important, as much as we love to play those bass flutes, that we do recommend that you have some experience in terms of playing the native flute. And the fingering holes are large, so if you have small, tender fingers, it may not work. We have some options on that a little bit, but it is more challenging for smaller hands. So it's just a matter of playing flat-fingered and having fingers that are thick enough to be able to cover the holes completely. But it's a sweet flute.